What makes people go with inline 6 engines or Japanese powertrains instead of V8s?
It's a style. You want the easy way or the hard way?
So you're pretty much using the hard way, right?
Yeah. Et là, on est rendu chez RD Turbo. Richard va nous assembler le moteur au courant de la semaine prochaine. Après ça, il y a quelques petites modifications à faire sur les bash bars, sur le châssis. Après ça, la voiture va s'en aller à la peinture, comme à chaque année. Et après ça, on va revenir chez TF Performance pour mettre le moteur dedans, puis tout le petit peaufinage. Puis après ça, c'est faire tuner chez Richard.
Julien started drifting and started to go at your shop. You saw him evolve. Did you think like in your lifetime you would see like Julien going pro one day? Like,
of course, man. That's why I help him a lot. I see a lot of potential in the driving skills, everything. So I knew this guy can do it, of course.
So you felt like helping him out would bring him like eventually to the pro division?
Yeah, it won't be a waste of time to help a kind of guy like that. You can see that this guy has the heart, the dedication, and that's what it takes. Because even if you have not much money, you know, you can do it with like that. So.
First thing that comes to your mind when you start the car? First thing?
Do a donut.
So you've been waiting for that 2JZ for what? 2 years?
Yeah,
2 years
3 years.
So first thing that comes to your mind is just
have fun.
Have fun.
Yeah.
What do you expect from a setup like this?
I will have a really better power band with the 2JZ than my SR. It will be easier in the straight line to catch the leader than when I was running my SR with the low horsepower. And I expect the engine that will be a reliable and good torque engine, so I will have a lot of fun on the track.
Good.